Hello guys, welcome to Ethical Praise. Please, if today is your first time of visiting this channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky and exciting questions together. Thank you for doing that. So today we are looking at this expression 3 exponent x is equal to x exponent 9. Okay, and we are looking for the value of x in this case. So straight away, let us multiply both sides by the exponent of 1 on x. Okay, so we are going to get 3x bracket exponent 1 on x, which is equal to x exponent 9 bracket exponent 1 on x. So with this, we're going to get 3 exponent x multiplied by 1 on x is equal to x exponent 9 multiplied by 1 on x. So this will take rid of this. Okay. We are going to get 3 is equal to x exponent 9 on x. Okay. Now, let's multiply both sides by the exponent of 1 on 9. Okay. So we are going to get 3 exponent 1 on 9, which is equal to x exponent 9 on x multiplied by 1 on 9. Okay. So with this, we are going to get 3 exponent 1 on 9, which is equal to this, get x exponent 9 on x multiplied by 1 on 9. So this one cancel this. Okay. So leaving 3 exponent 1 on 9, which is equal to x exponent 1 on x. Let's continue. So now, this 1 on 3, we can also rewrite it as 3 exponent 1 multiplied by 1 on 9, which is equal to x exponent 1 on x. And this one here, we can rewrite it as 3 exponent 3 on 3 multiplied by 1 on 9, which is equal to x exponent 1 on x. So 3 on 3 is 1. You get it. Now, 3 times 3 is 1. 3 times 9 is 27. So we are going to get 3 exponent 3 on 27, which is equal to x exponent 1 on x. So now, with this, we can rewrite it as 3 exponent 3 multiplied by 1 on 27, which is equal to x exponent 1 on x. Okay. So we write 3 exponent 3 into bracket 1 exponent 1 on 27 is equal to x exponent 1 on x. So with this, 3 exponent 3 is 27. So 27 to bracket 1 exponent 7, which is equal to x exponent x, like this. Okay. Now we are having 27 exponent 1 on 27. Then we are having x exponent 1 on x. Okay. So you can see that the bases are equal. Okay. This and this are equal. So you can see that x is equal to 27. Okay, if s is equal to 27, so it means that we can equate the exponent. So you can say that 1 on x is equal to 1 on 27. Okay, so in this one, so we have x is equal to 27. So our s is equal to 27. Let's verify to see if indeed x is equal to 27. Again, 3 exponent x is equal to x exponent 9. Okay, and then our x is now 27, so it's going to be 3 exponent 27, which is equal to 27 exponent 9. So 3 exponent 27 is equal to this 27. We can rewrite it as 3 exponent 3, okay, going to bracket exponent 9. So 3 exponent 27 is equal to this one to be 3 exponent 3 multiplied by 9. Okay, so 3 exponent 27 is equal to 3. Now exponent 3 times 9 is 27. So 3 exponent 27. So 3 exponent 27 is equal to 3 exponent 27. So it is true that our x is 27. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more excited and tricky questions. Bye bye.